and welcome back to the Java development course. So last time we went over getting random and solving problems with Google, and you had some homework to do. So your job was to look up on Google how we can print a random character in Java. So this is essentially what you could have done. There are a couple other ways to do it. So as long as you get the correct result, I don't really care how exactly you did it, but this is just one of the ways to do it, the easiest way I would say. So I just have a string characters which contains all the characters I want to print. And then I have a random integer which is math.random times 62, since that's all the characters. And then I just have system.println chars.char@, and then random. So it'll always give me a random character. We're going to test it out. There we go. So yeah, so it just gives me a random character every single time. So if you got that, very good. If not, if you did something else and it still worked, that's also okay. But yeah, so generally speaking, if you looked it up on Google, spend a couple of minutes, researching it, it should be no problem. So without further ado, then let's get into today's lesson. All right. So today we are going to be going over conditional statements, so decision making in Java. And at this point, it can start to get a little bit confusing. So we're going to be going over it together. We're going to take things very slowly. We're going to take our time, do some exercises with them, do a lot of exercises with them, and hopefully you can get this pretty simply. So we're going to create a new class. This is going to be if in Java. Let's say if in Java. As always, public static void main. And by the way, this is the last time I'm going to be creating a class on camera. So later on, I'm going to have a class already created when I start recording. So yeah, so let's go ahead and finish. And there we go. So we have